Hello friends. As we all know, limiting physical proximity with others is the best way to reduce the spread of coronavirus. By practicing social distancing of 2 meters, we can help in our fight against this unprecedented situation. As of today, we don't have the clarity on what kinds of social distancing regulations could be brought in by states or central government for the bus industry. So we need to be prepared for all the possible scenarios. Seeing the need of the situation and understanding that seat allocation is best handled through your booking software, we have added a new feature. This will help you implement the social distancing seating irrespective of the channels you get booking from. So let's take a look at each possible scenario and see how your system can help you implement it on your buses. Scenario 1. Let's say the regulation says the alternate seats should be blocked to ensure social distancing. The configuration type for this regulation would be manual. Let's take a look at how you can manage the settings for the same. Once you have logged in, go to Manage under menu and click on Routes. Hit Modify for the route you would like to configure social distancing on. At the bottom, you will see the heading Configure Social Distancing. Click the Edit button on the right. You will see three options here: No, Automatic and Manual. Select Manual and hit Update. Go on top of the page again, click on Action and select quotas under that. Hit on Create New to allot seats for social distancing and manage other settings. Here, select Schedule type as social distancing quota. In the weekly schedule, select the days on which you want social distancing to be implemented and check the box for Apply to all scheduled reservations if you want to apply the same quota settings to all the scheduled reservations on the route. Now, under coach layout, select the seats to be blocked under the quota as per government regulations and hit create. This is how the seat layout should look like for each coach type with the current selection of seats. Now let's come to scenario 2. If the government says the passengers should be seated on alternate rows only, the configuration type to be chosen is manual, and this is how you can manage the settings as per the regulation. Once you are on the Create New form for quotas, select Social Distancing quotas for quota type and days you would like this quota to be applicable. Under Coach Layout, select these seats and hit Create. This is how the current selection of seats will look like for each of the coach types. In case of manual selection of seats under Social Distancing quota, you can always check the coach layout. All you need to do is go to Home and search for the route you have configured social distancing quota. When you click on Book, you can see on the layout that seats marked in purple are blocked under the quota. Scenario 3. So what if government regulation of alternate seating comes with an exception that family members traveling together need not have empty seats between them? The configuration type to be chosen here is automatic. For that, go to Routes, click on Modify for the route you would like the required configuration implemented. Go to Social Distancing configuration at the bottom and hit Edit on its right. Here, select Automatic and check the box for adjacent seats. Let's take a look at how the seats will be blocked under social distancing for this configuration. If the regulation says that the seat in front and the back has to be blocked, check the box for front and back seats. And if it is said that for every seat booked, a seat adjacent to it, in front of it and behind it should be blocked, check both the boxes and hit update. However, if any of the regulations says about booking alternate rows, there is no configuration required for sleeper coaches, as they already have partitions between the two rows. You are only required to configure social distancing for sleeper buses if adjacent seats are to be blocked. Let's see How your passengers will know that you are offering a service that is social distancing guaranteed. When the passengers will search for the list of available services on OTA websites or your booking websites or mobile app, the coaches that have configured social distancing seating will have social distancing is guaranteed in this service mentioned under info. So, will the price per seat increase for such services? Yes, and it is up to you to decide the seat price. If you are statically blocking the seats, you can separately calculate and arrive at the right price. However, if you are using automatic configuration, you won't know how many seats would go empty. Therefore, you will need help to calculate seat price. In this case, software will suggest a seat price based on historical booking data for 3 months. Now you know that no matter what the government regulation says, the social distancing configuration feature on your system is prepared to handle all the possible scenarios for you and help you run your buses smoothly. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more such updates and informative videos.